Hello everyone! I've been recently trying to set up a gradient shader to a label and I came upon this interesting issue. The colors of my letters seem to be all jumbled. After some digging around, I found out that the issue was caused by the fact that in order to draw letters, Godot uses the UV coordinates corresponding to each character instead of the overall UV of the whole label. Anyway, there was a pretty easy fix to that. We can use the vertex built in to get the local coordinates of our label's vertices. Because the label's origin is at the top left corner, there we will have the value 0, 0. The top right corner will have the width of the label and 0, the bottom left corner will have 0 and the height of the label, and the bottom right corner will have both. If we take these values and divide them by the actual size of the label, which we can pass on inside the uniform, we will get a value that ranges between 0, 0 and 1, 1, which is exactly what we can use as our new UVs in order to apply our effect. It's a bit of a bummer that we have to always pass the size inside the uniform, but otherwise this was such an interesting Godot quirk. Also, it's quite interesting how much this teaches us about the vertex built-in. For example, if you try to apply this shader on a sprite 2D, vertex XY will also get negative values because usually a sprite 2D has the origin at the center and these vertex coordinates are relative to it. But anyway, I hope this video helped. If you want to learn more, you can check out my other videos or my OS style blog in which I'll be posting some more shader related things. Thanks a lot for watching, thanks a lot to my supporters, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!